Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little eye look on one of these new Revolution, they're called the Ultimate Eye Look Palettes. So I've got two of them. So I've got Diamonds and Pearls, which is the neutral one, and then I've got the Rose Quartz one, which just looks like this. This is the pinky one. I'm not going to do a look with the pinky one, I'm just going to show you why. I mean, if enough people want me to do a look, I will do, but it just looks like this, and like this shade here is like really like sparkly, and then you've got these two which are more satin, and then you've got like a matte shade. So there's not like a matte like transition shade, anything like that. They're all satins really. I feel like I'd need to pull in something from another palette, whereas the Diamonds and Pearls is like, oh, they're so beautiful, and all these pearls are like stuck on. But this only has, so it has like this ultra shiny one here, and then this satin one, and then you've got two mattes, so you could get like a complete eye look out of this one. Okay, so these eyeshadows are a little bit more expensive. They are £10 and you only get the 4 eyeshadows for that. I mean, you do get the really lovely packaging, but currently on Revolution's website, the 3 for 2. So it kind of, everything that's 3 for 2 is like the full price stuff. None of the sale is 3 for 2. So like if there was a few things that you wanted on the site which were around the same, you know, similar price, you could get 3 items for £20. That does make it a little bit cheaper. And then I think if you spend over 35, you get free shipping. They're constantly changing. Sometimes it's over 25 and you get free shipping. I also have the new CC cream, which is supposed to be like the It Cosmetics CC cream. So I will be trying that out soon as well, and that was £10 as well. Okay, so I've primed my eyes with the Technic Eye Canvas. Now this is a really good budget primer. It's just like the P. Louise base, and it's like £2. You can get it from Technic's website, and you can get it from Body Care in the high street. I always go on about this primer in every video because yeah, I'm really loving it right now. I use the shade Light, and it is, you know, it's a really good shade for me. Okay, so this palette actually doesn't have any shade names on the back. It just has the name, the Ultimate Eye Looks Palette, a combination of complementing shadows in Jewel-Encrusted Palette, which is pretty cute. So yeah, it doesn't have any shade names on here, so but at least with there only being 4 in there, I can just say shade 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, so first one I'm going to go in with is that neutral shade. Going to put that in the crease and on the lower lash line.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
I'm gonna go in with is that deep brown. I'm just gonna put that on the outer kind of parts of the eye, and only a little bit into the crease because I don't want it to be too dark, this look. Okay, so that's the brown on. So the kind of look that I'm kind of going with the brown is like a daytime smoky, if that makes any sense. Right, so we're going to go into the gold now. So as usual, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Geek brush. Not a lot's coming off, and it's a little bit flaky so far. So if I can't get it to go on well with my brush, I'll go in with my finger. Is with the brush. There's a lot of fallout under my eye. The shadow is a little bit flaky and it looks a little bit sheer, if that makes any sense. I don't feel like it's covered like underneath of my eye. I'm just going to go in with my finger now and see if it like works better there. Okay, so it's like 100% better with your finger. So it's, yeah, definitely go in with your finger and then you can build it up that way. Wow, so I've just gone in a little bit on this eye, and you can see like the difference like instantly, like it's foiled from the start once you use your finger. However, like I've got loads of fallout. Just dusting off the eyeshadow there. Oh, like it's smudged around my eye. So yeah, it is very flaky, but it is a very nice shadow. So I don't know whether there's any kind of brushes that you can use instead of your finger, maybe like I don't know, like a silicone kind of brush. I'm not 100% sure. Something that works a little bit better. If you know of something, let me know. Something that's like kind of a substitute for using like a finger to put your eyeshadow on. It has made a little bit of a mess of that pan. Can you see? It was lovely swirls before, and now it's got like, yeah, a little bit messy. I'm gonna go in with that sheeny colour, now that satin colour, that pearl, it looks lovely. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner and the highlight. That pearl looking colour in the inner corner, and I think it looks really nice on the inner corner and the brow bone. I do think it would make quite a nice highlighter as well, because I do like my inner corner to match my highlighter, so I might give that a try sometime. I did find, so this is a little observation of mine, that both these two shimmery shades did kick up quite a bit in the pan and the mattes didn't. So I'm quite pleased with the look because I'm really liking neutrals at the moment, and that metallic is lovely. So yeah, it's a £10 palette, and I do think a lot of that £10 you are paying for the packaging, because I was thinking, right, okay, well this is part of the pro range. Is it going to be like an amazing formula? Because in a sense you're really only paying £10 for only 4 shades. With a lot of Revolution palettes you'll pay about £6 and get like a whole palette. Do I think it's better than a full palette? I'm not so sure really. It is a nice palette, but yeah, I do definitely think you're paying for the packaging. I do like the look that I get with them, but I'm just putting it out there. I think you are paying for the packaging with this. It is very, very beautiful though. So yeah, that is the Diamonds and Pearls. Yeah, it is the Diamonds and Pearls palette. If you want me to do the pink one, just let me know and I'll put like a look together. The CC Cream will be coming soon, and also I have the peach palette. Let me just grab it. So I already did a look with this avocado mini palette and I really enjoyed using it. I did do a video for the mini tasty peach palette, however when I looked at the footage back it was out of focus, so I couldn't use the footage. So if anyone would like to see me do a video with this, like I'll refilm it, let me know. I just don't know if it's like, because with a lot of Revolutions videos and palettes and products you need to do them like straight away, like because if I do it like a few weeks later nobody's really interested and nobody watches the videos unfortunately. But if there's enough interest out there I will do that again, just let me know. Yeah, and if there's any more videos you want to see, let me know in the comments box, because I know, you know, not a lot of people are watching makeup videos with what's going on in the world right now. So thanks for watching, check out my other videos and I will see you again later. Bye. So before I go, here's just a few little cheeky swatches. They are really good. They do swatch really nice and I am happy with the look that I've done on my eyes today.